could do it all again, I know I'd go back to you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am about to open up a pocket letter, so I thought I would just film while I'm doing that so you guys could see what I got. This pocket letter is a Christmas theme, and I got it from a friend named Dana. This is the first time that we have ever swapped with each other, so I'm very excited to get into it. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here is the front. This is so cute, so very cute. I think that, I think this came from a different spot, but I'm not sure where it might have been. Maybe right here? I'm just gonna stick it right there. So, all right, so this is so cute. I'm seeing some familiar things. There's like some Merry Days stickers and stuff like that. This is so adorable. So this first one here, it's like a little letter to Santa. It says, "Dear Santa, a conversation with Santa." She's got an envelope right there. That's so cute. And then right here, it says, "Believe," with the truck. I love, it's like a station wagon with the tree. And then a little rosette. That's a really pretty rosette right there. And then the middle ones, I love these Christmas lights. Those are so cute. They look like they were stickers. And then she's got some doilies and stuff in the back here with, again, I'm really liking these a lot. Really pretty. Then the trees. And this one says, "Merry Little Christmas, December," and this is so cute. Look at this. It's like a little bike. It's got a scarf and a little present on it. That is so adorable. And then the side here, she used like some, yeah, it looks like it's like that fabric washi. And then a little piece of washi here, but so pretty. This is so, so pretty. I like it a lot. I sent a bunch of big stuff just along with it. So she didn't stick anything in the back, of course, because the stuff wouldn't fit in the back, but I really like the back of these. These are cute. I like this one that says "Happy Holidays," some presents. Those are all just really pretty. So, all right, so let's see what she sent along with it. She was so generous. I'm so excited to look and see. This is a really pretty piece of washi. It's like a red glittery washi, but it's the kind that the glitter doesn't come off of. Let's look in here. Oh, how cute. Okay, these are super cute. So she sent me, these are, let's see, what are these? Oh, okay, so these are like the little envelopes, and you can make the little letters stick through them. That's adorable. That's so cute. So there's a couple of those. The paper's poinsettia. Love that. And then these are the little ones that you can make into, oh, that's a really pretty paper. It's like peppermints, but you can bend it and then glue them, and they make paper ribbons, paper bows. Those will be fun to make. Cute. That's so cute. Thank you. You guys, I'm so tired. I went out Black Friday shopping today, and I'm just so tired. Like, I really wanted to come home and craft, but I'm just honestly so tired. So if you're like, she's not as peppy as she usually is, well, I'm so tired. It really took it out of me. I hate battling crowds and stuff like that, but anyways, all right, so she sent me a bunch of little stickers, it looks like. This is super adorable. It's like a lace piece. It's a heart. Cute, I love that. And then some stickers for Merry Days, Merry Christmas, Holiday Wishes. I've been good all year, I promise. That's cute. And then Joy. And that looks like maybe she enhanced it or made it or something. So I love that. Very cute. And just a bunch of different ones on this one. Oh, and sorry about my lighting. It's nighttime. I don't have any natural light helping me right now. So that is why that's the way it is. Very cute. A little just tag. Says Christmas greetings with a reindeer there. These are fun. I love these. I don't even know what to call them. They're like transfer paper, like vellum pieces, but this one's pine cones and pine leaves, or needles, I guess, pine needles. That's just a really pretty pattern. It's metallic-y red. Christmas ornament. I love die cuts a lot. Then this one just says Merry Christmas. Those are so fun. Another ornament. Candy cane. Little gingerbread man. Cardinal. Oh, this one's pretty. This one's big. It's a wreath. That is so pretty. That is very, very cute. I love that. Oh, and a rocking horse. I love that too. That is so adorable. Its hair is glittery. Super cute. So, so sweet. Thank you. All right, let's put these back in here. And then she sent me some border pieces, which are so fun. That makes me think that they're probably the K & Company, or I hope I just said that right, K & Company. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, K & Company, but they make really pretty borders. So these look like sugar cookies, different kind of Christmas sugar cookies. And then the ornaments, the glass ornaments. Very cute. I remember when I was a kid, they hadn't come out with like the shatterproof ornaments yet. And I remember as a kid, I would always drop one of the ornaments and shatter, like the little bulbs, the round ones, and I would drop them and shatter them. And so like that was a big thing when I was a kid and we were decorating the Christmas tree, was my mom would be like, hold on to them really tight, make sure they're on the tree really good. Because we had like the hard wooden floors and stuff, and at my little childhood home we had carpet, but somehow I would still always break them. I don't even know, but I don't know why that made me think of that. But anyways, so this is so cute too. I love the way she made the topper for it with the bow. And then she sent me these stickers. Love, you make me smile. It's like a coffee cup. That's so cute. Be mine. Sweet love. Live, laugh, love. That is so adorable. So sweet. So generous. Okay, and then I think this is the last. Yeah, this is the last one. So she made a little bag here full of stuff we'll look at here in a second. But on the outside, yeah, here's the little letter there that she sent me. I'll read that in a second. But she attached some paper clips, and I love these paper clips. These are so cute. Let's look at these. This is a cool bag. Like, I know it's just a bag, but this is a really cool bag. I wonder where she got this bag. It's like one of those little bags that you can just stick down and like reuse it. But so I love shaped paper clips. She sent some hearts, so those are fun. And then a couple of the red and white, they look like peppermints. I was actually thinking earlier, because I was making some paper clips earlier, and I was making, you guys can see, I'll show them to you. I was making these paper clips earlier, and the only big paper clips that I have are orange ones. I have just regular ones, and then I had some of these striped blue and white ones, and I thought, man, I need like more big paper clips. So yay, she sent me a couple of big paper clips. I'll definitely use these. That is so cute. In her letter, she told me things she likes, things she dislikes, full prices. Me too. I hate full prices. Very rarely will I pay a full price, unless the full price is just really, really good. But man, I am with you. I'm a bargain hunter, so full prices, not my thing at all. Okay, and then the last things inside this little bag. Oh, I love these. They're brads. I really love brads. I don't have a whole lot of brads. So the ones I do have, I don't use them because I'm hoarding them. But I love these. They're snowflake brads. Very cute. Love those. Another lace piece here. The heart. This is cute. Happy holidays. That is super cute. Oh, I love that. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but. And then, oh, these are paper clips. She made, looks like she made a She made I told y'all I'm tired. She made a couple paper clips. Those are really cute. They're both snowman. Oh my gosh, I just need to go to bed. They're both gingerbread gingerbread men. Yes, they're both gingerbread men. They're both gingerbread men. Anyways, very cute there. They both have the little clips on the back. A little paper bow, and it's the blue buffalo check. And another one of these really cute stickers. I love these. Those are very, very cute. Okay, so I love this pocket letter. It is totally adorable. It's kind of vintagey, but it's still like cute. I don't really know how to describe it, but I love it. I think she did a really good job. It's so, so pretty. So thank you so much, Dana. I would love to swap again. I just love everything and appreciate everything so much. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.